right now I'm getting ready for going fishing for tomorrow, so stay tuned. Right here's all my fishing stuff, so I'm getting ready. I'll see you all in the morning. Welcome back. We're out right now. We're at the Shawano Dam fishing, so stay tuned. 1, 2 catfish rods, and with cut bait, cut up shad. And then we got crappie fishing poles over here. No, I'm gonna be crappie fishing over here, so stay tuned. Right next to the dam. If you can't hear me, you know I'm right next to the dam. See that ham? Look at all them shad. You gotta be 200 feet away to net them. Today I caught a bowfin, but I got no pictures of it. And catfish. Here's my new Abu Garcia US 500. We're using that today. Got one. Oh, bait. It's legal to catch them hook on line. Dang it, this stupid hook. Looks like there's a storm coming, but oh well. I'm fishing. I might try my crappie rod. It's a A1. No, I mean Pro A1. Might try that out. My new pole. Dang it. Right here. Oh, I forgot the time. Well, stay tuned while I get this tied up. Okay, now I decided to bobber, hook, jig. I mean bobber, worm, and jig. Oh, now it's raining. But oh well. I just got this ginormous catfish, but it's not that big. Check out that baby. 10 pounds. 10 pounds on the dot. Nice fish, which I'm gonna eat it. So stay tuned and enjoy the video.